Hello guys, today we are going to teach you how to cook zucchini gratin. For the printable recipe, make sure to get it from the link in the description below. So let's start right away. First we are going to place raw zucchini in water and add some salt to it, and we are going to boil the zucchini until they become tender. We have of course to make sure that they are hollow from the inside. Next, we are going to cut them in half and place them in a Pyrex. For the meat topping, we are going to start by adding butter in a pan, melt the butter and add the chopped onions. We make sure to give them a nice color, and then we can add the hashed meat, making sure to divide it into small chunks. We're gonna add salt and pepper as well. And a bit of tomato paste. Now we're gonna proceed to do the bechamel sauce. We start with the milk powder, to which we add the flour, and we whisk everything well together. Then we add the water and stir the mixture. Everything is on medium heat at the moment. Then we add the salt, sweet pepper, and finally the ground nutmeg. We will keep stirring the mixture and keep stirring well until it becomes thick. We have to make sure to constantly stir so that it does not get on the edges of the pot and stick them. So now we are going to add the meat on each zucchini. And then we can add our bechamel sauce to cover all the top. In the meantime, we make sure to have preheated our oven. Now that everything has been covered in creamy bechamel sauce, we are going to add some shredded mozzarella cheese. Now this is optional, it's up to you. You can add it or not, but it's of course going to taste much better if you add mozzarella cheese. Then we place this in the oven for about 20 minutes with convection on. And here you go, a delicious zucchini gratin. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel.